YouTube announced a partnership with Arizona State University and Crash Course to launch College Foundations, a program allowing students to earn college credit. The program aims to provide an affordable and accessible way to earn credit. Starting now, students can enroll in for courses starting March 7, 2023, eligible for transfer credit. No applications or minimum GPA is required for enrollment. Courses offered include Introduction to Human Communication, Rhetoric and Composition, Real-World College Math, U.S. History to 1865. By January 2025, the College Foundations program is set to increase the number of courses, offering 12 courses for students to earn credit for a full first year of college. There is a $25 registration fee and a $400 fee for each course to receive college credit. Early bird sign-ups before March 7th will receive a $50 discount. Students can retake courses as needed until they are satisfied with their grade, and the credit can be used at institutions that accept credits from Arizona State University. The program is an extension of the existing study hall partnership between Arizona State University, YouTube, and Crash Course, an educational channel with over 14 million subscribers founded by John and Hank Green. Students can preview courses for free before registering and begin earning credit. Once enrolled, they can reach out to a success coach for assistance with assignments. Coursework can be completed at their own convenience, but most courses have weekly due dates. Additional support is available through optional office hours with instructors. YouTube has long been a platform for educational content, and the addition of college credit opportunities further solidifies its focus on education. The company recently introduced Courses, which aims to provide a structured learning experience in India. Through this feature, teachers can publish and organize their videos, as well as provide accompanying reading materials and questions, all within the YouTube application.